Guys, ito yung magtutunting. Ito buwan. So, take the red as you read there. I always do that. Get the drops. This. Sorry, no.
Yes, it's Juliet.
Oh, sorry. Do you know the dome floor is the what the fuck? Kiss? Because we're every time we touch, I know the song. Because I swear I can fly. I swear you can fly. I swear I can fly. Wait, I'm gonna fix that. You know where you are, mate. You know where you are, mate. Look at us and floating. Look at us and floating. I only know hero right. He just has to him. He's the best. But I don't have Delta. There's Delta. But I don't have one. I'm not the famous to be the king. Oops. Like that. Paint it red. What? Quiet. Quiet. Said quiet. Like. Well, no, that this is. What are you doing to my leg? Stop it. I just toss. They're just flapping my leg. No. Sorry guys, what's my I'm not gonna retire because of our brothers. I don't retire. I'm not keeping YouTube. It's the best. Hey yo. Yeah, so I called quack, 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 but only 6 little ducks.
Yes, Juliet.
I don't go on. I'm being wrong. That's why it looks good to me. Look, yeah.
Yeah.
Copyright. No, don't copyright. No, okay. That because intersection.
I won't struggle.
That is no guy. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I'm reaching the guy just security. Mariton. Oh. Don't remember anything. Born the right side. Because he's a bird, if you are a big fan of it.
New from Nickelodeon, it's me, Kai Lan, and she's available now on DVD. You make my heart feel super happy. Meet Kai Lan. She's ready to learn and play along with you, and it's even better when her friends are there too. There's her best pal Ritu. Totally.
Coffee Pesci, Todos Passa, Coffee Pesci, okay, the tutorial is done. Now, let me fix this. Yeah! Mama.
Stop jumping. Maligo ka na ulit.
Wait.
Go.
Okay guys, bye. The tutorial is over.